Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today in this video I am going to show what is VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a tool that allows users and administrators to easily run multiple guest operating systems on a single host. For example, if your PC is running on the Windows operating system, then it will be called as the host operating system. But VirtualBox allows users to run multiple guest operating systems on a single host. Now let us see how to download and install VirtualBox. Before getting to the video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and select all to get latest updates. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open your browser and type VirtualBox and press enter. Click on the first link, which is the official website of the VirtualBox. Now click on the download VirtualBox button. If you are using Windows, then click on Windows hosts. You can also download VirtualBox extension pack and software development kit if you want. I have already downloaded it. Now I will show you how to install it. That's all for this video guys. If you like this video, click on the like button, share with your friends, post your thoughts on the comment section and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.